Microbiotechnology in waste management is the application of modern scientific methods and the methodologies to the controlled use of a wide range of microorganisms without disrupting the ecosystem. Among the microorganisms used for waste treatment, Bacillus species, Corynebacterium species, Staphylococcus species, Streptococcus species, Syndesmus platydiscus, Syndesmus quadricauda, Syndesmus capricornum, and Cholera vulgaris. Several bacteria are particularly efficient at oxidizing or decomposing various organic molecules into simpler and more stable end products. These microorganisms can grow at temperature ranging from 10 to 45 degrees Celsius and break down degradable components effectively. The majority of organic matter is destroyed during the thermophilic phase.
Flow of degradation. Phase 1. Aerobic hydrolysis. Hydrolysis is a rapid breakdown of complex organic in the presence of water and oxidate into simple sugar, which is glucose. Phase 2 is oxidogenesis. The process generally involves fermentation of insoluble long-chain sugar and thus referred to as a solid-state fermentation. Next, Phase 3. Acetogenesis, where microbes progressively break down organic acid into acetate through fermentation. And then Phase 4. Methanogenesis. There are two main groups of methanogens, acetophilic and hydrogenophilic. And the last one is Phase 5. Restoration, also known as maturation phase.
From 2005 to 2018, we can see an increasing in total of waste Malaysian produce. These statistics are causing enormous problem for our country environment. From that total, only 66% of rural area population are covered by garbage service. This is one of the reasons a lot of trash end up strewn over at the countryside. One of the examples today we can see is in the Cameron Highlands. This illegal dumping actually causes groundwater and soil contamination, and don't forget diseases that are spread by rodent, bird or insect whenever they eat or maybe live there. This pile of garbage, if being left too long without proper treatment, it can pollute our water and soil from toxins that are oozed by that pile of garbage. This will give trouble for our local communities that depend on it for farming, fishing and sometimes for drinking water. The countries are also not spared from waste mismanagement, such as Philippines, India, and also Ukraine.
The Islamic perspective. The Prophet ﷺ placed a high value on sustainable land cultivation, waste minimization, compassionate animal care, natural resource preservation, and wildlife protection. One of the sayings of Prophet blessed and Muhammad ﷺ on environmental sustainability is, "The world is beautiful and verdant, and verily God, be He exalted, has made you His stewards in it, and He sees how you equip yourself." The Holy Quran presents a holistic vision of the universe in which the human soul, environment, mind, and matter are all part of one living, conscious whole. As a result, it encourages people to live a balanced, reasonable, and environmentally responsible lifestyle that does not affect the environment. It says in Surah Al-Baqarah verse 60, "Eat and drink from the provision of Allah, and do not commit abuse on the earth, spreading corruption."
In conclusion, microorganisms are one of a kind and frequently unpredictable in nature. Interest in the application of various microorganisms has become a major focus as humanity moves to establish sustainable methods of cleaning up polluted environment and waste. Microorganisms can be utilized as an effective agent to solve a wide range of environmental issues. The use of microorganisms and microbiotechnics has opened up a new windows in the field of sustainable development, notably in the area of environment and other critical environmental challenges.